Guys, for today's video, I'm happy to share this, guys, kasi hindi online lending app ang pag-uusapan natin, but more on a lending institution coming from a bank. Na-feature ko na or na-discuss ko na previously, but during the time na diniscuss ko siya, is hindi pa available or hindi ka pa makakapag-apply. More on selected user pa lang. Pagtingin ko, meron nakalagay na apply now. So, ano ba to? Well, tara pag-usapan natin ang experience ko sa pag-a-apply ng quick loan coming from Uno Bank. Sit back and let's discuss coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're newer to my channel, I do reviews about entrepreneurship, small business, and personal finance na meron akong experience at ginawan ko na yan ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago kayo dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. So kung wala ka pang Uno Bank account, meron na lang akong video na yan and yan, na meron na lang link sa baba. Check nyo na lang yon para makita nyo kung paano kayo makagawa ng Uno Bank account. Side comment lang din, meron sa GCash na Uno Bank na mas madaling mag-apply. Mas recommended ko mag-apply kayo via GCash. Anyway, let's go back. So, yun na nga. Siyempre, nagre-research ako para meron akong ma-share sa inyong information. Nung pag-check ko ng aking Uno Bank account, nakita ko yung loan service nila is available na. Okay, so papakita natin yan sa inyo. Ayan. So, ang nakalagay dito, hashtag Uno Now. O, diba? Quick cash loan, near real-time approval. Talaga ba? Near real-time ba talaga? And disbursement. Ano ibig sabihin ng near real-time? Gaano ka near ang real-time nyo? No income documents required. Uy, check yan sa atin. No collateral or guarantor needed. O, diba? Check ulit. Flexible and convenient payment terms. O, diba? Pero wala nakalagay kung magkano interest. So, paano natin malalaman? Yan. Let's click apply now. On this page, tinanong tayo, do you have a special code? Siyempre, wala. Open an Uno Now loan account in 4 easy steps. Sabi niya, review and provide information, summary of information, loan offer and availment, and loan agreement. So, ito yung personal and contact details. I-review natin. Kung kulang, kailangan natin i-update yan. Cellphone number. So, medyo naka-blur na lang kasi personal info ko yun . Next is employment and financial detail. What's okay with Uno Now loan is that ina-acknowledge nila na meron ding talaga mga self-employed or mga business or yung mga kumikita ng hindi lang naman nasa corporate setup or meron kang separate employer. Hindi lang naman yun yung kinikater nila. So, kahit tayong mga freelancer is okay mag-apply kay Uno Now loan. Okay. So, i-enter nyo yung financial details nyo, employment and financial details nyo. Yan. After that, kailangan nyo i-enter yung TIN number nyo, then total working experience. Ayan. Tatanungin din kayo ng source of funds nyo and yung monthly income nyo. Tapos, sa fourth step, itong FATCA, tatanungin ka kung ikaw ba ay isang US citizen or not US citizen. So, syempre, hindi naman tayo Amerikano, not US citizen. Okay. Are you a relative by Uno? So, yes or no? So, syempre, no. And then, summary. So, review nyo yung summary and then, kung okay na sa inyo, just click confirm. After that, nandito tayo sa we are processing your information. And, medyo matagal siya. Maya-maya, mag-update din siya na your hashtag Uno Now Quick Cash Loan is being processed. We have received your application for Uno Now Quick Cash Loan. You'll hear back from us within 3 to 5 days. So that's from October 2 daw hanggang October 4. Mag-backtrack tayo saglit. Ano bang requirements para maka-loan ka with Uno Bank? Well, napakasimple lang naman. Kailangan individual ka, at least 21 years of age and not more than 65 years old upon loan maturity. Filipino citizen, resides and or work within Metro Manila, Cebu, Rizal, Cavite, Laguna, Pampanga, Bulacan, Batangas, Iloilo, or Davao del Sur. Receives a minimum gross monthly income of 20,000 pesos. If employed, must be tenured for at least 6 months. And if self-employed, business must be in operation for at least 2 years. Ayan. So, ang nakalagay na rate daw nila dito ay as low as 1.7% monthly add-on rate. So, as low yon, as low as. So, it would really vary dun sa taong pautangan nila. Siyempre, titingnan ng credit score niyan, credit history, kung high risk ba siya or low risk, kung mataas ba ang capacity to pay niya or hindi. And again, we're going back dun sa na-mention ko lagi na the higher the risk na pahiramin ka, the higher the interest. The lower the risk ng pagpapahiram sa'yo, let's say hindi mo kailangan din ng pera, pero mag-offer sila sa'yo, the lower the interest. It's out in the open, ganun talaga ang sistema nila. So, yung interest mag-vary but as low as 1.7%. Kung titingnan natin yung 1.7%, kukunin natin ang annual percentage rate, 1.7 times 12, it would give us around 20.4%. So, for our comparison, una na ngayon si Uno Loan, which gives us 20.4% interest rate per annum. Tapos, credit card, nasa 36%. BIS, nasa 56%. Atomic Cash, G-Loan, ayan, mga S-Loan, nasa around 70%. So, makikita natin na kapag mga banks talaga, that's also a given na mababa ang interest rate na binibigay nila. Kasi nga, they have to follow yung mga guidelines na sinet ng Bangko Sentral. Yan, Bangko Sentral Monetary Board. So, sila ang nagsiset ng interest rate. Maximum ceiling ng mga interest rate ng mga loans. So, they really have to follow it because they are really a legit banking institution, financial institution. So, given that, okay manghiram sa mga bangko katulad ni Uno Bank. Well, Uno Bank, if you don't know, is a digital bank licensed by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. For our question of the day, nagmamatter ba talaga sa inyo ang interest rate pag in time of need? O pikit mata mo na lang ina-accept and confirm yung loan offer sa'yo? So let me know sa comment section sa baba at meron kayong chance na manalo ng 500 pesos GCash every week. And also make sure na naka-like and subscribe na kayo dito at comment the hashtag road to 75k subs para sa chance nyong manalo sa ating cellphone giveaway for the month of November. So yun lang muna po for today's video, but before I end this video, mag-shoutout muna tayo at shoutout kay at MC-HB6QC. Sabi niya, new subscriber here. Ganito mga gusto kong content, yung hindi lang puro hype. May pros and cons view. Keep it up. So at MC-HB6QC, maraming salamat po for appreciating my content and supporting my channel. Maraming salamat po. So yun lang po for today's video. I hope you could like this video. Leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me. Please subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive ka ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!